excited because I'm doing a little bonus build video today, and by that I mean I am stepping away from the plane to finally make my Vans aircraft light box. Yay! So, gonna do a little build video to follow along with that, and hope you guys enjoy. So it's kind of neat, they have different ways that you can do this. You can have it where either the front or the back is removable, it says that. So there are these, which they have the nut plates. So you rivet the nut plates to it, and then you can either choose to put this, it has it here, it's on the back, so see it goes all the way around, and so then you can take off the back if you want, but then it also has it where if you wanted the front to be removable, I'm going to leave it as it is and have the back here removable, and have the front be like permanent. That's my thought behind everything.
Cool.
So, this is really cute. So it had a caution thing I was reading, and it's like, carefully consider the security of your display location for the completed light box to prevent unauthorized borrowing of your project. I'm like, what? And then underneath it says, warning, display of completed light box may cause extreme envy among your flying buddies. That's cute, that's funny. This says rivet them. I mean, is this already been drilled? Does this not need to get...
It might be like an RV-14.
I'm just gonna check, so... Yeah, okay, so that's a bonus. Yes, I'm probably a little bit OCD, but I'm excited and I want it to look nice. So I've spent a lot of time trying to deburr it, so it looks really good. Oh, why didn't it tell us to do that before? Alright, if you plan to use the countersunk rivets on the side panels, or the top, it really would have been helpful to dimple this before putting the nut plates on, because it's kind of tweaking it a little bit, and even with the thin set, the thin, like, female end of the 3/32 rivet dimple set, it can barely fit back there. So if you want to do that, I would dimple it before you go and put the nut plates on. for countersunk rivets and the pop rivets. So I put the countersunk around everywhere else and the pop rivets on the front. I just thought it looked really cool having them there. And yeah, I'm really pleased. It was really fun. The only suggestion I would make is if you do want to use the countersunk rivets, whichever side that you're going to have the nut plates on, if you want to have the countersunk rivets on those skins that connect to the angles with the nut plates, I would dimple those other number 40 holes on the angles before you put the nut plates on, because that did get a little bit tricky trying to dimple them after the nut plates were already on there. But besides that, again, it was great. It was really fun. I think it's going to look really nice here in the garage. And yeah, really happy with the kit. Thank you, Tyler, for a really great Christmas present. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so for more videos like this and to follow along as we build our RV tent.